So after defining uh, or after we defined our class, we will start to create a new instance or a new object from that class. So I will go to our main method and start use this class. So I will create two classes, two objects or instances from this class as follows. So I will name the first store1. So new store and I will give the first one store1 as a name and the address as store1 address. And I'll create another instance for another store, and I will name this store as store2 and the address as store2 address. Now I want to make sure that our objects are created perfectly, so I will just print the values of the internal members of each of these objects. Go and do this. So the store name is remember now that we will need to use our getters to get the values of the internal members of this object, as we cannot go and directly call the name of the member because it's private now. So we'll need to use the getters, as you can see, and the store address is like that. The other thing that I will need to make sure that the store ID is correct and that the store has a unique store ID. To do that, I would create another getter here for the store ID, which return an integer and get the store ID, as you can see here, and it will return the store ID. And I will use it here. I'll repeat the same for store2. So if I run this program, I expect the first store to get a value of store ID as 100. Then as I incremented the store ID, what I want that the second instance or store2 to have the next store ID as 101. Let's see if that will be the case or not. No. As you can see, both of them has the same store ID. So that's why we will solve this issue by using a static member, as I will show to you now.